Welcome to Java FRM. Now I am going to show you how to build Apache TomEE 8.0 from its source code in Windows 10 operating system using Maven 3.8.7 and Java 11. So here you can see that I have already downloaded TomEE 8.0 source code zip file. So I have provided the download link in the description of the video. So please read the description of the video for more information. So I have extracted the source code zip file. So this is the directory structure of TomEE 8.0. So you can see that one pom.xml is there. This is the parent pom. So before proceeding the build, let me show my settings. So I have already installed Apache Maven 3.8.7 and this is my Maven settings file which is pointing to local Maven repository. So all the jar files and artifacts which I am downloading and compiling will be stored in this local Maven repository. So this is a local Maven repository. So make sure that you have internet connection in order to download the jar files and artifacts to compile the source code. So also I have added the Maven bin directory and Java 11 bin directory to the Windows path variable. Let me open the Windows path variable. So you can see that Maven bin directory and Java 11 bin directory added to the Windows path variable, so that Maven and Java 11 commands will be available in the Windows command prompt. Okay, now let us proceed to the Apache TomEE 8 build. So let me open the source code directory in the Windows command line. Yes. So this is the command to build the TomEE 8. So this is a very lengthy command. So I have provided the command in the description of this video. You can see the build is started. I think around 111 modules are there. Yes, so build is successful. So all the modules are compiled successfully. So after building the TomEE 8, let us navigate to TomEE directory. So under that Apache TomEE, under the target. So there you can see the tar.gzip files and zip files for both Linux and Windows environments respectively. So Apache TomEE comes with the different flavors. So this is TomEE plus binary. And TomEE plume binary is a binary where all features will be there. See, this is the TomEE plume binary. So TomEE plus. Yes. So so we have successfully built the source code of Apache TomEE 8.0 source code, and you can see binaries for both Windows and Linux are available after the successful build. So make sure that you have internet connection in order to download the jar files.